Learn Igbo vowel agreement in sentences. Igbo, English. Number 1 sentence says, Ọ dara n'ala. Ọ dara n'ala, meaning it fell on the floor. Remember, vowel agreement stated that if you want to use light vowel in a sentence, use it throughout. Like in this sentence, we used light vowels. O, A, A. All of them are light vowels without missing it with heavy vowel. Ọ dara n'ala. It fell on the floor. Ị ga-abịa. Ị ga-abịa, meaning will you come? I is a light vowel. A is a light vowel. Ha gbara ọsọ. Ha gbara ọsọ, meaning they ran. A, O, all of them are light vowel. Let us see heavy vowel in a sentence. Ego kwere ukwe. Ego kwere ukwe, meaning Ego sang a song. E, O, U, E, all of them are heavy vowels. O miri emi. O miri emi, meaning it is deep. Ego kere isi. Ego kere isi, meaning Ego plaited hair. O miri n'okpuru. O miri n'okpuru, meaning it sank beneath. Let's see light vowel in sentence. Aka ya dị ọcha. Aka ya dị ọcha, meaning her hands are clean. You can see that A, D, I, A, O, all of them are light vowels. Another example of heavy vowel. Ike gwuru egwu. Ike gwuru egwu, meaning Ike played. You will find out that I, E, U, all of them are heavy vowels. That is what we mean by vowel agreement. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel.